Here's a YouTube streamer leaving his Switch OLED on 1,800 hours straight in order to test burn-in. That's what you need. That's content, Will.
This was very informative.
Yeah, it's content, man. Like, you're curious. Okay, cool. I've heard about OLED displays.
Mm-hmm.
This is the type of content we should be making, Will. You understand?
Yeah.
We're complete, utter failures for not having done this ourselves.
So 18 hours is like, or 1,800 hours is like 2.5 months.
It's crazy.
Left it on straight. What do you think happened?
I'm sure there is some sort of burn-in feature inside of the Switch. Maybe like that pixel shifting technology. I think it's going to be okay.
Okay.
What ended up happening?
You're completely right.
Oh, okay.
Nothing happened.
Right.
Nothing. Like he said, like he actually placed it side by side after I guess in total it was like 2,000 hours, over 2,000 hours.
Wow.
He used like a Zelda Breath of the Wild frame, which showed a lot of high contrast, and literally nothing happened. Like it's completely fine. This is the frame, and it was running. And he said that there may be a slight dimming in the test, but it's only because maybe it's a different manufacturer or different manufacturing OLED process, because he compared it with another OLED display.
Right. Either way, it's nothing super offensive that took place.
No.
It's cool, man. They come up with new methods for working around this stuff, these types of problems, which used to be frequent on old display technologies and even new display technologies where they haven't figured out how to fix it. But people have been concerned on laptops as well. They say, we're not ready for OLED, where we have, persistent items on the like menus or, on Windows, you would have a persistent bar along bottom or start button or whatever you might have. But this is good news that there are ways around it and there are technologies that exist to mitigate some of those risks. And you get the benefit of OLED.
Yeah. And someone actually tested it.
And someone actually did. A regular person, Wolfden. Oh, I don't think
on YouTube.
I don't think that's his name, but that's a cool name for a channel. Wolfden. It's not spelled how you expect.
Yeah.
WULFF. WULFF and then Den. DEN.
Yeah.
We're on a Wolfden.